geology, he spent 30 years studying the geology of the Arabian Peninsula. He said it's a unique geology on the whole planet. There's really nothing quite like it. And the lava here is very amazing. It's very black, and we're going to see tomorrow the miracle of the Prophet ﷺ, because there's a lava that exploded in 1258 that he predicted in a sound hadith recorded centuries before, and he said that the fire would come up and the people of Medina would see it, and it would be seen in Busra and far away. And this non-Muslim man told us that the fire it went up several thousand feet up into the air, and the light of it could be seen hundreds of miles away, like the Prophet ﷺ predicted.